Hey everybody, super excited about today's cook. We're grilling up some wings to try out our experimental raspberry ghost pepper chipotle sauce. Got to find an alternative to sweet heat and burr because of the sriracha shortage. Go ahead and use Spice of Life or Dirty Bird or whatever your favorite dry rub is. We use Spice of Life mixed with a half teaspoon of baking soda today. Use a big enough bag or bowl to toss it in or toss in batches. Clean the grates with an onion. Use a tool, don't be dumb like me. Paper towel and some cooking oil. Make the grates nice and non-stick. I'm going to spread out the coals a little bit better next time and use grill mats on the whole thing for the next batch I do. I like the way they cook that way. Melt some butter and mix it with your favorite sauce. You know which one we're using today. Give it a good toss. Put in some foil. Pop back on the grill. Cook it in a little bit. Take it out, and you're ready to go after you let it rest for a little bit. These things were freaking delicious.